Hey everybody, it's FYJSConsoleRefurbishing here today with a very special video. It's time to show off my new camera. So what I've been using to record has been in VGA, really poor quality. I'm using a 2010 point and shoot camera. It's a Kodak easyshare CD83. So I scraped up $100 and I got a Sony something. It's a pretty decent one, still from 2010, but it's a Sony NEX-5. And I'm going to show you the quality difference, and this is what I'm going to be using. I seriously can't wait to see how this does when I'm working on the consoles. You can finally see the small details. But either way, let's get ready to swap. Well, here I have the Sony video, and it's looking great. You can see the quality difference right off the bat. Show off the old camera I've been using. This is a Kodak CD something. It's I'm not too good at using this camera yet. It's a Kodak easyshare CD83. It's a point and shoot from 2010, and this is what I've been using for the recordings. You can see the quality on that VGA. Now this is a Sony HD camera. You can already see right off the bat. You can already read the hard drive. It's a much bigger upgrade, and I can't wait to try it out on the channel. In the next video, which probably won't be on the 1.6, but I just bought a brand new broken Xbox off eBay, completely destroyed, and I'm going to see if I can restore it, and it's going to be the first video with this HD camera. So I can't wait to check it out with you guys. Struggling with my arm here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It actually keeps the focus on the Xbox. That's great. Well, see you in the next video. Peace.